And get our grinder activated again, and going to go through a cleaning cycle with Grinder Clean tablets. These ones here. Now, if you haven't used them before, they're for removing the oil off the blades on the grinder, and secondly will give you a longer life of your grinder blades and a more consistent dose. So really important if you haven't got these to get them, and recommend using them depending on volume. If we go 10, 20 and 50, 10 kilos I'll be using them monthly, 20 I'll be using them every sort of 2 to 3 weeks, and then 50 I'd be wanting to use them weekly, 50 plus. So we're gonna have a little look. What I'm gonna do is pull the grinder blades apart so we can see them before the tablets go through, and then we're going to have a look at them once they are once the tablets have gone through to see the result. Now, we don't need, as part of the birthday, we don't need to pull it apart obviously. What we do need to do is just run it through. But to start with, I'm going to disassemble it just to show you the difference. And then I go coarse and wind this all the way out. And then if you have a look in here, Dave, we can see some of the oils that have started to build up on these blades. Now, these blades are not too bad. I'd say they've been changed relatively recently, and you can see in here some of the oils that have started to build up on the inside of those blades. We're going to run the tablets through, and then have a look again and see if it's removed some of those oils for us. Going to put in about a capful of tablets initially and grind that through. And I can see it's coming out really coarse, so I'm just going to fine that up. And again. A little bit more. Then I'm going to put another capful through. We can see now that initially we're getting coffee come through with the tablet colour. Now it's coming out a lot cleaner, which is good. We want to run these tablets until it comes out clean. So I can see now I'm getting very little coffee. Pour a little bit more in and fine it up. And run the remainder through. Cool. Now we're going to pull this off again, have a look on the inside and see what it's done to our blades in cleaning them up. So we can see on the inside here, whilst there still is some of the powder left, which is fine, all the coffee that was on the blades, the oils, has all been removed. So our blades are pretty much back to new. So again, really important steps. If I give these a bit of a clean, get rid of the powder, you can see that we've really added some life to our blades. Got rid of lots of oils, coffee oils. So again, you don't need to do what I did by removing it. Just let's run these weekly, fortnightly, monthly, based on your volumes. Okay, having got it all back together again, what I want to do now is brush out these last little bits of the leftover grinder tablet powder. So brushing them all out of my hopper, off my static strip again. Getting rid of them everywhere we can. They make a mess, but it's great for the blades as we saw. So really important, which means we're going to get more consistent shots from our grinder and a much longer life on our blades. I'm just going to grind it through until we've got rid of. You can still see we're getting some yellow through, and we want to wait until we're getting coffee only. So it's looking a little bit coarse, I need to fine that up. However, it has cleaned them, all those blades back up to very close to where they were, where they should be. And fine up my grind. Cool. And it's clean and it's good to go. We have officially completed the grinder's birthday.